Okay, you guys, I'm back. I had to rest for a minute. When you hurt or when you get tired or winded out, you gotta rest your body. You know when your body had enough. So now I'm back, and let's finish doing that workout. All right, here we go.
Important, especially I want you to look at me from the side here. Follow it, knees together. Squeeze the inner thigh. Child's pose. How we feeling?
Wait.
Follow it, knees together. Squeeze the inner thighs. Toes on the floor. Shoulders and wrists in line. Press up so that your knees off the floor.
I'm doing my
Right
twisters.
leg back. Ready and go. 16, 15.
Because they doing floor stuff. I don't do
13,
first.
12.
I always modify.
Squeeze. 10,
Modify.
9, good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Go on the child's pose. Good job. How'd that feel? Okay, here we go. We're going to come back up. And now we're going to take it to the other side. Lift the feet. Lift the knees up. Toes on the floor. Now left leg back. Here we go. 16. Neck is in neutral spine. Go. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Good. 10. Core tight. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Get
3,
deeper.
2, and 1. Knees down. Child's pose. How we feeling? Okay, so the next exercise is the same. Same position that we're going to do an oblique down and
It's hot.
okay? So check it out. Knees are down.
But you need to sweat a little
Position.
bit.
Okay?
Doing my
Taking it
twisters
back.
with this one too, because they still on the floor.
Knee, shoulder, take it back. Knee to shoulder, take it back. Okay, are we ready? On the right side, we're going to do 16. Here we go. Knees off the floor. Foot is back. 16, go. 16 and 15, 14, 13, contract, 12, 11, good job, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1, knees down, rest it out. Really going to child's pose so you can stretch. Here we go, toes down, knees up, left leg back, 16, go, 16, 15, 14, neck and neutral spine, 13, 12, 11, 10, come on, 9, 8, 7, 6,
I know some days we don't feel like doing it, but you gotta do something. Even if you do it when it look like that's something.
and 1. Knees down. Good job. Stretch it out. Alright, how we feeling, guys? Alright, here we go. Come on all fours. Toes down.
Can't do that.
And
Just wait.
slowly walk the head back to the toes. And if you can't stretch all the way down, you can come into 90 degrees. Okay? Take it down. Now, bring your feet together in that position. Take your right foot, step it forward. Go in the hip flexion.
Can't do that right
Okay?
now.
Run into a yoga pose.
Little twisters.
You're right into the knee. Then I want you to take both hands.
Let's get it. Don't hurt you guys. So doing this. Do what you can and modify. Modify. I'm always say that.
It's in between your back.
Because you ain't gotta do what others do. You gotta do what you can do. What your body said you can do. You know?
Hold. Breathe. Keep breathing through. Pushing the shoulder against your knee. Take the hips closer to the floor. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, Split the leg. Straighten the leg out. Bring your feet together. Step the other leg back into the flexor stretch. Okay? Both hands on the floor. You're going to repeat the stretch. Back foot, heel down, front foot in between your back arches. Palm down. Palm up. Stretch it out. And breathe through this stretch. Hips to the floor and hold.
Lay down, Paul. You hear me?
Core is tight.
You gonna lay down for school? You wanna go to school? All right, we good.
Core
The
10.
mother's job never done. Even if it's not or
7.
anybody in her way, she gonna keep on going
5.
with them there
4. 3.
or not.
2. 1. Drop it down. Split the leg. Step it together. Grab your ankle. Stretch out the hamstrings.
That hurt.
And
But you
roll
feel
it
it's
nice and
working.
slow. For
When
4,
it's not pain, you know?
3, 2, and 1. How do we feel?
Hot.
Okay. We got another balance exercise. I want you to take your left foot forward.
I'm gonna do it
Bring
with
your hands
balance.
in the air. Bend both knees.
So when I go in, I'm doing my
Palm on the
twist.
tabletop. You're
Lay
gonna
down, Paul.
and bring it back.
You hear me? Do you hear me?
It's all about the contraction.
You ain't going to school. All right, lay down. Because I hear you in there.
Find the balance and breathe.
Go fast as you can. We got
10,
less than 5 minutes left.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees, drop it down. Roll out. How we feel, guys? Alright, let's take it to the other side. So, core balance here. Okay?
All this twisting gonna help your stomach too,
Body forward.
especially the
Left leg off
sides.
the floor. Straighten and hold. It's all about finding that core, squeezing the glutes together, your inner thighs are squeezing, you're holding. See, tie your knees slightly bent here. That is a neutral spine. Back leg is straight. If your leg is not as high, it's okay. As long as you're getting the work in your core and balance. All 10, 9, good job. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, feet together, bend down, look nice and slow. Good job. Okay, here we go. This exercise is much easier, but we're going to work that hip flexor. It's a little stretch. You're going to bring your feet together. You're going to slowly lift the right knee.
I can't do that either.
To the chest.
That's that balance and stuff. So
Guys, ready?
my twist is.
Hold it up. Good job. Hold. Good job, Ariel. Back is straight. Okay? Doesn't take a tremendous amount of effort. It's a very simple exercise for you to find your core, find your breathing, and really control it. And try to bring your knee as close to your chest as possible. It doesn't have to get all the way to your chest. You just want to focus. Okay? Even working your biceps by holding that knee up. First contract. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop it down. Okay, good job. We're going to the other side, alright? Here we go. Lift it up. 3, 2, 1. Lift. Try to bring it as close as you can. Really focus on your balance and breathe.
Ooh. No pain, no gain.
Focus and breathe. Focus and breathe. Just try to bring your knees as close as you can. This is as far as I can get it. We got big quads. 10, 9, 8. Keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Shake it out. Okay, the next exercise, we're going to do the same thing. We're lifting the knee, but this time we're going to take it to the outside.
Can't do none of this all balance it, so I'm gonna keep on doing my twisters.
Then get a
Yeah.
slight stretch.
Handy dandy
And then
twisters.
down
Yeah.
there. Ready?
Let's
Here we
get
go.
it.
Right leg up. Open it up. Now this means you put your arm out. Find that balance. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In. Right away, other side. Lift up. Take it out. Open up. Keep the balance. Hold. Breathe through. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. 1. And bend the knees. I want everybody to round your back and go into a hamstring stretch.
Now we got less than 2 minutes, you guys.
Now, as you're in a hamstring stretch, I want you to walk the feet open. Bring your hands to your knees. Bend down into the squat position. Bring your knees and elbows together. And push your elbows against your knees and open up the hips. A lot of hip openings.
I know how to do this one, but I don't feel like doing it because I'm in so much pain. Sometimes you feel like something you don't, but as long as I'm doing something, that's good enough. You know?
And hold. Keep breathing.
Because I feel it working all day.
Hands to your knees. And we're going to do a contract, relax, and go. Contract. And relax. Exhale as you contract. Inhale as you down. 2 more. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Keep it down there. Drop your hands to the floor. Straighten out the legs. One last good hamstring stretch. Now, what I want you to do is kind of grab your arms, grab each elbow, let your body swing down, swing right and left. So loosen up those muscles, drop your head, let everything relax.
Just swing from side to side.
And stay center and round the back, slightly bend the knees and roll up. This is where we're finishing. Roll up, and take your inhale up, exhale down. Bring your feet together for your last one. Inhale in, exhale down. Very, very good job. Check your result.
Yes, you guys. We did that. We did it and we finished. It took us 2 videos, but I finished. That's the main goal. Just do what you can. If you can't do it, don't do it. And just do something else in place of it. Alright, love you guys. Stay blessed and stay motivated. Keep on pushing. Alright, bye-bye.